Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you how Tweepsmap can work for you on your Twitter account. It's a free program, and as you can see, I've got an email here. I get it once a week, and I can see who unfollowed me. You can also check for your new followers and get your exact follower account number. So once you click on that recent unfollowers, you can either follow or unfollow people. So as you can see here, I could unfollow Cassie, but I'm going to keep her for now. Some of the others here, it looks like because I didn't follow, they stopped following. You can also choose to follow some back if you want. You can also see here a lot of accounts were suspended or deactivated. If it's temporary, you could see who it is, but otherwise you will not know. So this is the thing that I really like about this program and why I like their email and open it every week. You can also check to see your analysis of where all your people are from, your followers. So me, it's mostly in the US, and it'll say who are they. If you want to know a little bit more, of course, you do have to pay on that. But I can still check the states and see which state has the most. I have most people from New York, Florida, Texas. So if you open up, I have a lot here out in California. So it's very interesting. You can see exactly who's following you. You could even go far down as cities if you wanted to take a deep dive there. Populous city, New York, New York, San Francisco, Austin, Texas. You can also see what they call, let's see if this works on the free plan, a mention map. This is very interesting too. So you can see where most of your mentions come from. US, you got some out in various countries throughout the world. And again, you can click on them and see more. So they do have plans if you wanted to go a little bit further with it. Premium plans. And they also have a Twitter scheduler with an RSS feed support. And you can post them over to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. And you can see all the different programs that they offer. A lot of analysis. So this is a great program for your Twitter account if you're trying to grow your tweets on Twitter. I hope this has been helpful, and if you haven't, you can sign up really easy on their Tweepsmap website. It's just tweepsmap.com, and you can go in to sign. I'm logged in, but you could go there to sign up for free. It just hooks over to your Twitter account, and it takes a little while for them to get it to analyze your account, get it up and running, and then every week you can find out who's unfollowed you quickly and easily with their weekly email. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.